Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and we're about to see what my dog reacts to Bubbles. So let's see. He's eating them for some reason. And I might take turns, and I might not. One more time for me. One more turn for me. One more turn.
Double. Yeah.
He eats them. So now she's gonna try. So go ahead, Julia. Oh yeah, I do have to hold it, and this is the bubble stick. Well, that's what it's called. Dun dun dun. Go get her. Hannah, go get her. Look. You need more bubbles. Can't get enough bubbles. Need to dip. Go get her. Look, go get her. Look, bubbles. Get the bubbles. One more. Maybe get some. Hurry up before he starts to lay down. Go get her. Look, go get her. Look. Hurry up. There. Wait, this bubble. Peanut. Look, go chase. He already missed it. Alright. So there you have it. Now you can see how my dog reacts to Bubbles. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. Hit that click the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for you to not miss out on any of my videos. Goodbye.
What?